So we are doing the May June 2022 paper and from question number 22. It is the part 2. Okay.
Yeah.
Which statement about the club is correct?
Capital and revenue transactions are recorded in the income and expenditure account. Non-cash transactions are recorded in the income and expenditure account. Only revenue transactions are recorded in the receipts and payment account, and the closing balance in receipts and payment account represents a surplus or a deficit. Okay, D is wrong, so we cancel that out.
Why is it wrong?
Because income and expenditure में surplus और deficit दिखाता है और receipts and payment पे balance close down और begin down दिखाता है. Only revenue transactions are recorded in receipts and payment account. This might be correct. I'm not sure, so we'll leave that. First one is also wrong. Capital and revenue transactions are recorded in income and expenditure. Because income and expenditure transactions are recorded. So first is wrong. And non-cash transactions are recorded is also wrong. So the correct answer is C.
Think properly. Non-cash transactions are recorded in income and expenditure account. Is it right?
Yeah, they are, but...
So they want to know which statement is correct.
Okay, yeah, B is correct.
B is correct. Okay? Okay. Go ahead.
A sports club provided the following information for the financial year ended.
What do they want to know?
They want to know the subscription related at the end of the year.
Okay. So this is the current year. And this is the last year.
That's last year. The other one is current year.
Okay. Now let's see. Prepaid of current year is done what?
Prepaid of current year you have to subtract.
And outstanding?
Add.
And of the last year?
Last year prepaid add.
Outstanding?
And outstanding subtract.
Okay, fine. Now this is prepaid of last year. What will you do?
Last year you have to add it.
Okay, last year you have to add it. And this is outstanding of the current year.
Outstanding of current year is added.
Yeah.
Oh, you have to add all three?
Yeah. So you have to make this, whenever it is there, you have to make this chart. Okay, for MCQs, you don't need to do OPOP IBM.
Okay, miss, I'll remember this and I'll do this tomorrow.
Okay?
Yeah.
So it will be
450. The answer is D.
Yeah. Go to the next one.
The work in progress of ZT manufacturers on 1st January was valued at 6,200. At the end of the year, it was valued at 5,400. What was the effect on the cost of production for the year? Okay.
So opening manufacturing cost. In that you add the opening work in progress.
Yeah, minus
the closing work in progress, right?
Yeah.
Opening work in progress is 6,200. Closing work in progress is 5,400.
800 increase.
Okay. So basically, whatever is the manufacturing cost, there is a positive 800. So it is 800 increase.
Yeah.
To the next one.
A manufacturing company provided the following information. Cost of production, 3, 4, 5. Oh, cost of sales. Okay. So in this you have to do opening stock, which is 42,000. Plus purchases, which is 15,000. Then plus cost of production, which is 345,000. And then minus closing stock, which is 36,000. And I'm telling you the answer now. Minus 36 equal to... It's 366,000.
Okay. It is 3.
Answer is B.
Next one.
Tahir provided the following information for his first year of training. Tahir's gross margin was 25%. What was the
Margin,
value? Margin is on cost of sales.
margin is on sales. Okay. So I want to
Hmm.
know the value of closing inventory. So first I will find cost of sales.
Yeah,
So sales minus cost of sales gives me gross profit.
yeah.
What is your net sales?
Miss, your net sales is 1 minute, 170,000 minus 6,000. 164,000.
And gross profit will be 25% of
25%.
164.
25. 41,000.
What will be your cost of sales?
Cost of sales is 41,000.
This is gross profit done.
Sorry, yeah. So cost of sales will be,
This minus this.
yeah, and then for purchases, how we'll do then?
1 minute. So I know my cost of sales.
Yeah,
Cost of sales is opening plus
plus.
purchases minus closing.
Hmm.
I know my cost of sales is 123,000.
Yeah,
Is there any information about opening?
no.
So I will take it as 0.
Hmm.
Is there information about purchases?
No.
No.
Yeah, 129,000. Sorry.
And they have asked me to find the closing.
Yeah.
So I will take the closing on this side.
Hmm.
I'll take the closing on this side. So my closing inventory would be equal to 129. I will keep over here only minus 123,000.
Yeah, I got it.
Closing will be how much?
6,000.
6,000.
Answer C.
Yeah. Okay. Tell me or go ahead.
A business provided the following information. What were the purchases for the year? Okay, rate of inventory turnover is 5 times. Okay, rate of inventory turnover का formula is average inventory upon cost of sales
It is
into 100.
turnover ratio.
Hmm.
What is the formula of inventory turnover ratio?
Average inventory.
No.
Yeah, na miss.
Cost of sales over average
Cost
inventory.
of sales upon average inventory. Sorry, yeah.
So it is 5.
Hmm.
Cost of sales. Average inventory is
I'm calculating average inventory.
opening inventory plus closing inventory divided by 2. So it will be 5 is equal
9600.
to cost of sales over
9600.
sorry,
9600 is the 9800 is the average inventory. 8.
are you sure?
Yeah, I did.
It's 6,400.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, it's 6,400. I don't know how I got the
Now
answer.
6,400 into 5 will give you
Is
cost.
equal to cost of sales. 32,000.
So cost of sales is 32,000.
Yeah.
Cost of sales is made up of
Opening inventory plus purchases minus closing.
so cost of sales is 32,000.
Yeah.
Opening is 6,800 plus
Yeah. Purchases
purchases minus closing is 6,000.
closing 6,000
So it will be 32,000 minus 6,800 plus
plus
6,000
6,000.
is equal to purchases.
Minus 32 is it? The purchases is equal to 19,200.
Hmm? What
Let's
are you
give one
talking? I
second.
don't understand. How do you calculate? 32,000 minus 6,800 plus 6,000. 31,200.
1,200.
Please do proper calculation. Huh?
Yeah.
So done.
Yeah.
Go to the 28th one. Profit
A
margin.
trader provided the following information at the end of the year. What was the profit margin? Okay, so I need to do gross profit minus 12,000. I'll get the revenue.
No, I have the revenue. They've given me the gross profit. Gross profit is 20,000. From
Yeah,
that you will minus your expenses. That is 12,000.
I'll get the profit.
Profit is how much?
8,000.
Profit over revenue.
So 8,000 divided by 80,000 into 100.
Hmm.
That's 10%.
How much?
Just 1 minute, I'll just check. Yeah, 10%. A.
Okay, fine. Go to the next one.
A trader provided the following information. What was the return on capital employed? Okay, so first we need to find capital employed.
Hmm.
Capital employed is non-current liability plus capital. So non-current liability plus 120,000, it's equal to 150,000. And the profit is 24,000. So it's 24,000 upon 150. That's equal to 0.16 I'm getting.
Into 100.
Oh, okay. So that's 16%.
Okay. Next one.
Samuel, a trader, decides to issue statements of account each month. Which ratio does Samuel hope to improve by doing this? Statement, trade
What is the
receivables.
accounts?
Statement of account is issued to the buyer to tell them how much they owe the business by the end of the month.
So indirectly, what are we telling them?
We're telling them to pay jaldi, so it's trade receivables turnover.
Okay.
Hmm.
Next.
John's rate of inventory turnover was 10 times in year 1 and 8 times in year 2, which may have caused the following change. Okay.
That means that inventory turnover ratio is reducing.
Huh.
That
Fall in demand.
taking less time to convert to sale.
Yeah, so
So
fall in demand.
taking less time to convert to sale. So it would be
Hmm.
because of the fall in the
Fall
demand.
in demand.
Come
Okay.
on, 32.
Maya had annual revenue of 100,000. In year 1, her gross margin was 45%, and in and her profit margin was 5%. In year 2, her gross margin was 40% and her profit margin was 3%. Miss cost of sales have
Gross margin
hmm,
is 45
yeah,
and profit is 5. But here
huh,
the gross margin is reducing. Okay?
yeah.
If the gross margin is reducing, that means cost
The
of
cost of
sales
sales have increased.
has increased. Cost
Yeah,
of sales is increasing only in these two things.
yeah.
Okay. Now, first the profit margin was 5%, and now the profit margin is how much?
On 3%. So it's increased because it's reducing.
Okay.
Profit is
Now listen
reducing.
to me. First, her gross profit was 45
Uh,
minus expenses. So the profit was how much? 5.
5,
So expenses was how much? 40.
40.
In the year 2, the gross profit is 40.
Hmm.
Profit is 3.
3.
Expenses
Expenses
is
is
how much?
37.
How much?
37.
37.
30.
So expenses decreasing.
Oh, yeah, okay, I understood this.
Okay. You
Yeah,
be
I'll make it.
careful about this. So when you
Hmm.
redo it, do it again.
Yeah.
Come on. Next one.
Why would a bank manager be interested in the financial statements of a business? To calculate and assess the trade payable turnover? No. To check the correct amount of tax is being paid? No. To ensure that the employees are being paid correct. No, that is also wrong. The correct answer is D. To ensure that funds are sufficient to cover the loan interest.
34.
Revenue should only be regarded as earned when the legal title of goods and services passes from the seller to the buyer. Or realization concept.
Only when the legal title passes, we will say it's revenue.
Yeah, matlab when you are taking acknowledgement of a sale when you've received the money, basically.
Not receive the money, the title goes, then it's sales. You can receive it later.
Okay, okay.
Okay, next one.
The information provided in the financial statements should be capable of being independently verified. Reliability, free from errors.
Yeah. Now, what is the thing? UCCR. No. Understandability. What does understandability says?
Understandability is when your information can be understood by all.
Then comparability is?
Can be compared to previous years.
Hmm? Hmm?
Yeah, can be compared to previous years now.
Hmm. Reliability?
When your information is free from errors.
Hmm. And relevance?
When the information is relevant towards business point of view.
Okay, fine, no worries.
Hmm.
So this paper is also done.